Welcome to Workzone. This video tutorial can help any administrator or manager user get comfortable with working in the tool. In about 10 minutes, you'll be well on your way to creating projects and managing your workflows with ease. Let's start with a short navigational overview. Once logged in, you will notice the available modules listed in the left-hand navigation bar. I'll start by providing a brief description of each one, and then we will take a deeper dive into the ones that most teams find useful. The Projects module is the central hub for all of your work and the main area where you can create and manage projects. The data for active projects will automatically display across the Calendar module and in a variety of different reports and dashboards in the Reports module. The Documents module is where your team can store and collaborate on files and documents, though the same functionality can be found in the Projects module as well. For teams that work directly with clients or other departments in their organization, the Request module may be enabled, making it possible for you to review and respond to new project requests and even create projects from them. Your team may not have this module enabled, so don't worry if you don't see it. Your notifications inbox is represented by the bell icon. Here, you will review updates including comment and task notifications. Our Help menu is where you can find our available support options, including our support chat and the ability to schedule a support call. Please feel free to reach out to us as questions come up. Also, we have a variety of online resources listed here, including a knowledge base, video tutorials, and webinars. Lastly, your user menu gives you quick access to a few different items, including your to-do list, which shows a list of the work that is assigned to you, providing a simple, easy-to-view solution for interacting with your work. Also, within this menu, you'll find the My Settings option, where you can update your password and notification settings. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice a Workspace drop-down, which allows you to toggle back and forth between the workspaces that you have access to. Workspaces are discrete buckets into which your team can organize their projects. Depending on your role, you may have access to one or several workspaces. If you have access to more than one workspace, you can choose to navigate Workzone in a single or all workspaces view. We'll stay in the All Workspaces view as we begin to take a closer look at the Projects module. Here, you will see a list of active projects organized by workspace. Each project displays a name, responsible party or parties, and a range of dates during which the project takes place. Status icons can show if a project is running behind, yellow for something that is falling off track, and red for something that is late. The % complete values can give you a sense of how far along the project is and will automatically update as tasks get completed. Opening up a project will display the list of tasks that comprise that project. If it's not necessary to see all of the projects and tasks all the time, you can pare down your view with filters. Here we offer some commonly used filters, but additional filters can be added. To create a new project, use the Add Project button. You will then be able to select the destination workspace if you are not already in a specific workspace. Next, you can add the project name as well as some additional project level details. This page can be customized by administrators to display the options that are important to your team, but we've included some commonly used fields here. Notice the asterisk next to some items, dictating that these fields are required. Next, select the method of project creation that you would like to use. There are 5 different methods to choose from. We will cover just a couple here, but feel free to explore the others. Let's start with the outline form method. Using the text box, type the name of each task line by line. If you would like to create nested subtasks, simply use your Tab key to indent tasks. Once you have listed your tasks, hit the Save and Add Tasks button. Now that your project has been created, you will need to customize your project's timeline and assign responsible parties. It's a good idea to start with dependencies, which will lock your tasks in a specific order and ensure that your team is notified when it is their turn to start on a task. Click here in a task's dependency column and select the task or tasks on which this task should be dependent. Additionally, you can add lead or lag time by clicking on the double-sided arrow. Once you have made the adjustments needed, click Done. You can also create a quick chain of dependencies by checking off several tasks and using the Link Tasks button that appears above. Once created, the dependency arrow will appear and you can mouse over it to highlight any predecessor tasks in pink and any successor tasks in yellow. You can click that dependency arrow in order to make changes. Customizing the start and end date of a task is as simple as clicking in the start and end date column and using the date picker that appears. You can also customize the duration of a task by clicking in the duration column, thereby shifting the end date. Lastly, you can assign one or more responsible parties here by clicking in the responsible column. Here, you can simply select a user from the list or start typing their name to filter it down. You can also create a project by utilizing a template. You can easily create new templates based off of your existing projects. To do so, click on the Project's More menu, represented by 3 dots, and choose Save as Template. Enter a template name and optionally save responsible parties in the template. Once the template has been saved, you can now use it by clicking the Add Project button. Here, you'll give the project a title and enter any necessary fields. Keep in mind that any field displaying an asterisk is a required field. You can then select the desired template and a start or end date for the project. Click Save and Add Tasks, and your template will be deployed, scheduling your tasks accordingly while taking into account any holidays or non-working days. Once your project appears, you can then customize it as needed. Don't worry, these adjustments won't have any effect on your existing template. You and your team can quickly mark tasks as complete right in the status column. You can also communicate with your team members within the Projects module with either notes or comments. Enter simple notes here, or enter comments by clicking on any task title. Here you can post a comment and choose to notify team members in one of 2 ways. The @mention feature makes it possible to trigger a one-time notification to anyone who doesn't need to be involved in the ongoing discussion. Simply typing the symbol will bring up a list of users from which you can select. Alternatively, the Add Subscribers icon, represented by a plus symbol, will allow you to subscribe someone to this comments thread, thereby being notified of any new comments posted here. Once your comment is posted, subscribed or @mentioned users will be notified through their notifications inbox and/or email notifications, depending on what settings are enabled in your site. Aside from updating the tasks, you can also attach a file or document to any project or task. If a tray is already open, simply drag and drop onto the tray, or you can drag and drop files right onto project or task rows. Once a file is attached, you can click on the file row to view and enter comments for the file. Additionally, there are a variety of collaboration tools available listed under the More menu, including the Markup Image and Upload New Version tool. If you've been asked to manage newly submitted requests, you can use the Request module to do so. Your team can submit new requests with the Request New Project button, and those new requests will appear in this list. You can access any existing request by clicking its name. Here you will see all the information entered by the requester. Requesters may be able to choose from several project types when submitting, so you may see different question sets here. You can also update the status of a request, which will automatically notify the requester. And lastly, you can create a new project. Once your projects are up and running, you can catch up on their progress quickly and efficiently by jumping into the Reports tool. The Project To-Do list can give you a quick idea of which tasks your team will be completing over the next week across all of your projects. The Status by Project report provides a bird's-eye view of where projects stand, allowing you to quickly take action on projects that are beginning to fall behind. The dashboard report offers a visual summary of several of our reports. Here, you can view data in the graphs provided or click through to view the full report. So there you have it. This overview should get you off to the races, but should questions come up, feel free to click on our help menu to reach out to us. If you would like to learn more about Workzone, please enjoy watching some of our other video tutorials or join us on our training webinars.